So when you change out the position sensor board, first thing you need to do is take off the end caps on both sides. So you're going to want to take off this screw right here in the front, one on the bottom corner, same on the back. And take that screw out right there, and one on the bottom corner, and do that on the left side also. So once you get the end cap off, you can kind of pull this back gently. Make sure you don't pull this USB cable out from the motherboard. And then from there, you're going to want to lift the hood by taking off this screw right here in the front of the lid. And then same thing on the left side. Once you do that, you can hinge this back up. And then that's the position sensor board. So you're going to want to take this carriage cover off. So you're going to want to take this screw off right here. And the same on the left side right there. Take that screw out right there. Pull this back gently. There's going to be 4 wires there. 2 of them is going to go to the laser right there. And 2 of them for the actuator of the blade. Once you do that, you want to break this hot glue off. Then get a small flathead screwdriver, unloosen these until you get the wires out. And then from there, you're going to want to break this hot glue off the ribbon cable for the carriage position sensor. And you're going to want to move this tab back. That's going to unlock the cable. And then from there, you want to get a Phillips head, unscrew these. Once you do that, you'll be able to pull that wire out. And then you're going to want to press down right here. These wheels, top wheels, are on springs, so you can press down and be able to pop out this bottom wheels right here off the rail. Lift it up, then be able to take the position sensor, put the cable on first before you reassemble the screws onto it, lock it in, and then once you do that, then you can put these wires back in and then put these screws back in right here. After you do that, if you look right here, there's going to be plastic sensors right here. So you're going to want to make sure it's in between that front rail. So you want to make sure it gets right there. So you want to make sure that the rail is in between both the plastic pieces. Once you do that, you can go back and again get the top wheels onto the rail, and then you're going to want to push down and then pop the bottom wheels back in. Now that's on, back onto the rail, and move it left and right again. You want to put this carriage cover back on after you get the wires back in, and then just reassemble everything, and it should work. And just power it on, test it, and make sure you don't have it plugged into your computer before you power it on. Just make sure everything's in there correctly. And that's how you put the position sensor on.